In the world of web, so vast and wide, stands Nginx, the god with pride. Not just a server, sleek and lean, it's the fastest gatekeeper you've ever seen. What is Nginx? You may ask. It's a server built for every task. It serves websites, routes your calls, balances load when traffic sprawls. A reverse proxy in disguise that boosts your speed and scales with size. It serves your files, CSS and more. HTML images what you store. But if things get complex, no need to fear. It fetches from backend, then brings it near. A reverse proxy, cool and wise, hides your servers in disguise with load balancing. It plays it smart, distributes traffic, does its part. It catches pages to boost your speed, reduces load, a noble deed. Event-driven, light and fast, a champion built to truly last. So next time you browse or stream with flair, Nginx might just be working there. A silent hero, strong and quick. Behind the scenes, it does the trick.
Thank you so much for watching.